it's Colin from Wurth. And what I've got here for you today is the Wurth range of safety glasses. Now, safety glasses are super important because we only have one set of eyes. And often they are forgotten about. You know, you'll see guys grinding and that without glasses on, and it's so dangerous. So I'm going to run through the range and let's have a look at what we've got. So we'll start with this set here. So this is our standard safety glasses. Now, all these glasses, for information, meet the Australian standards first and foremost. Now, this is our standard safety glass. So it's a clear safety glass, but also we have them in tinted, yellow and brown, which is really important. So comfortable to wear, lightweight, relatively inexpensive. Moving on, we've got our premium safety glasses. Again, these come in clear, tinted, brown and yellow. This particular pair here I've got are the brown ones. Now, what's good about these and what makes them premium is they're super comfortable to wear, but we can also adjust the arms outwards because we all have different shaped faces. Now, I'll put them on, and what I love about the brown tinted glasses is they're fantastic for inside and outside. So when you're inside in the sort of gloomier light, I can still see clearly, but they give me that protection when I'm outside in the sunlight, where the straight tinted ones are very dark inside. Moving along, and these ones are my favourite. These are the ergo glasses. Now, because I wear reading glasses, which I'll put on, the ergos go straight over the top. So I can still see when I'm working up close. But what I also like are these wings here you can see here. And what they do is they press against the side of your face. So when you've got them on, they won't come off if you're looking down. They're also adjustable in the length as well. And they only come in clear. Then we've got our ergo foam. So the ergo foam comes in clear and tinted. It also has these wings on the side. If you don't like them, you can just lock them away. And it has foam around here to stop any foreign bodies getting in the side, so which is really important. Also, these are adjustable this way. So here we have the Wurth Potatoes. They're a bit more stylish if you're working outside. They meet Australian standards, of course. They've got very flexible arms, so they're quite comfortable to wear. So now we come over here to the Wurth Libra safety glasses. Now these are super light and they're very comfortable, but they're also very robust. You can bend them and squash them and throw them around and they won't break. They come in clear and tinted, but again, as I said, they are very light and very comfortable. I've got a set over here. These are not actually safety glasses as such because of the yellow colour. These are for checking UV dye. If you're looking for leaks in air conditioning systems, you'd use these in conjunction with a UV torch. But they are made of the same plastic as the other glasses, so they are actually safety glasses. And then of course, we come to our ski mask type glasses. Fully adjustable, which I like when you've got a big head like me. This particular pair here, you can actually replace the lens in it. If you just crack it open, you can change the lens because they do get scratched because they get abused and thrown around, and we can put a new lens in rather than buying the whole glass. And then we've got our other ski mask type with adjustable strap, but if you look inside, it's got a really good seal to seal around everywhere to stop any foreign bodies coming in. Now these glasses also have a clip-on face shield so you can protect the rest of your face. Very good if you're using wire wheels and things like that, so you can't get anything hitting your face. So that's the Wurth safety glasses range. There is a safety glass here for everybody, for every shape and size head. They're all Australian standards. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and these safety glasses are ready for work. So now you've seen the Wurth range of safety glasses. Now I bet you were thinking, Colin hasn't got a giveaway this week. Well, you'd be wrong. I've got this fantastic Wurth beach bag. It's huge. You'll get all your stuff, your towels, everything you want in it. It's also got a hidden compartment down the bottom here. You can shove your phone and your wallet and things like that in. It's quality product. Now, to get your hands on one of these beach bags, simply go to the Wurth app or eShop. Spend over $150 and go to the checkout and put in "G'day beach bag, and we'll send you your products and your free beach bag. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and when you're wearing safety glasses, you're ready for work.